Just a quick video to show people where the fuse box is located in a 2005 Jeep Grand Cherokee. You gotta open the driver's side door and look under it, under the steering column. It should be somewhere located under there. And the other side, then the other one, the fuse relay is, hang on, open it, let me pop the hood. Give me a second. It's gonna be right where the battery, right behind the battery. You pop those, and this is the thermostat. It's right by the battery. You just squeeze those things right there and open it up. Let's see. I did it earlier, but there's two of them, one right here and one right there. So, get a better view. There you go. Just in case some people need to know where the fuse relays are located. And I hope this helped you in some way. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe.